Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am at Walmart for my midweek moneymaker Ibotta rebate haul for you guys. Listen, this should be stupid easy because I only need 10 for $5 and like 5 or 6 of them I already got from CVS. CVS has been like between the Degree, the Kotex, the Almay, it's been pretty easy. And everything's been resetting. So I don't need a lot for today. And so my goal for today, y'all, really is to get whatever's gonna make me some money. I might do a freebie here or there, but for the most part, whatever's making us money, we're doing it. All right, I don't have a lot of coupons. If I remember my list, I think I only have like 2 coupons, which would be really, really cool. But if you're new here, yes, if you're new here, yes, you and you and you and you. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. You will not regret it. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a video. So make this sweet and short, you guys. So let's head into Walmart and see what awesome deals we can get today. You want to see what I did? You want to see what I got? What kind of money your girl made today? Definitely keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Splenda, as if I need it. I still have a ton from last time. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of them, priced at $4.67. I'll get back $2 on Ibotta. Also going to submit on coupons.com and get back $2 there. And then I'll probably go ahead and submit on Alexa as well for $2, making this a $1.33 moneymaker. Next up is the Tabanero Sriracha Honey Hot Sauce. It's on the hot sauce aisle. It's priced at $7.33. Gonna grab one, get back $4.99 on coupons.com. I was gonna submit on Alexa as well, but it's not scanning there. So I went ahead and submitted it on Tada, making this a $2.65 moneymaker. Finally getting around to doing this deal on the Febreze. These are the little small trial size ones. They're priced at $1.97. You're gonna grab one, you'll be getting back $2.30 on Ibotta, making this a 33-cent moneymaker. The Dove Men Care is priced at $6.27. I'm waiting, y'all, for this to finally go up in price in my area. And so we're gonna grab one. We'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. We're also gonna go ahead and get back $2 on coupons.com as well as Alexa. And then we got 615 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.46. It'll make this a $1.19 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad, especially for some Dove Men Care. Next up is the Axe deodorant spray. It's priced at $8.38, so we're gonna grab one. There is a $2.50 coupon, y'all. It did not scan. I went to 2 different stores. It was a total no-go, so the cashier had to push it through, so I just grabbed one of them. I'm paying $5.88 out of pocket, getting back $3 on Ibotta. Another $2 on Shopkick, and then 2,500 kicks on Fetchware, which is $1.75, making this an 87-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the L'Oreal Men Expert as well as the L'Oreal Paris for women. These are 2 clearance finds. The men was $3, the women was $3.95. So I grabbed one of each. I paid $6.95 out of pocket. But then the Men Care is working for 2 different rebates on Ibotta. One is $5, one is $3. The women is $3. And then there's also a 10-cent any hair dye as well. Plus getting back $6 on coupons.com makes this a $17.10 moneymaker. And it's also on Alexa as well. My next deal is on the L'Oreal toner. It is priced at $5.37. You're going to get back $5 on coupons.com, making this only 37 cents. And again, it's also on Alexa as well. And of course, we have to get the Kotex. It's priced at $2.97, so we're going to grab a total of 2 of them. We're going to be using a $2 off of 2 coupon from our inserts, which is going to bring the total down to paying $3.94. Getting back $2 for each on Ibotta makes this a 6-cent moneymaker. And last but not least, I went ahead and did the Colgate 2-in-1 over at Dollar Tree, our Dollar Quarter Tree. They're priced at $1.25. You're gonna grab 2, you'll pay $2.50 and get back $4 on coupons.com. Alexa, ShopMium. I have 2 ShopMium accounts. I went ahead and did it on all 4 because it expires on the 8th. I figured why not? Makes it a $1.50 moneymaker for 2 of them. For me, $6 moneymaker. So I definitely thought that was a great deal and that I'd share. And here is my little teeny weeny beady haul. It's so small, but it's mighty. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I have been more excited about CVS than Walmart. And in fact, when I'm getting my deals together, I don't want to go. I'm sorry to say that, but I've been loving CVS. And so listen, this is my little haul for today. So with the Axe, that $2.50 coupon does not scan, or at least it didn't for me. So I grabbed 5 of them, didn't scan. And so I had the cashier take them off, and I figured, let me try my luck at another store. So I went to the second store, which is right next to Panera Bread. And same thing, coupon didn't scan. And so she was able to put 1 through. So we had to take off the other 4. So yeah, that coupon didn't scan. And I think that was the only coupon I had besides the U-Kotex, which scanned perfectly fine. I didn't have any other coupons. So this was pretty much almost an all digital. Okay, was all at Dollar Tree. I went ahead and just did it 4 times because I figured I could submit it to coupons.com, Alexa. I have 2 ShopMiums. And so I just went ahead and just did it 4 times. Like I said, the only issue was that the Axe coupon didn't scan. I'm hoping that they eventually will fix it before the coupon expires, since that rebate on Ibotta doesn't exclude the coupon. I did end up getting back more on Fetch Reward because they took them off, and I don't know, the way their system is on Fetch, it doesn't catch it when it's taken off. So it still gave me credit for all 5 of them. I didn't count that. I only counted the 250, which with the difference in the payout, it works out to be like 70 cents per 1,000 points. So I think that was like 175. But again, I did get back like 12.50 in points. Oh, this Tabanero Sriracha, it didn't work on Alexa. It wouldn't work for Alexa for me. So I submitted it on Tada. I went ahead and submitted that on Tada, the Splenda, and then the Dove wasn't on there. So I submitted the Dove on Alexa. I believe that's how I did it. All right. And with Alexa, trying to put a ticket in is just pointless. It's absolutely pointless. I told y'all that from day 1 of using Alexa, that it was pointless. Their customer service have no clue at all. So I didn't even bother. But it did work on coupons.com. So as far as my receipts, so this is the one where she had to manually enter the coupon. So she put it in as container tender. They usually put it in as coupon tender. But that's what she did for that. As you can see, I did take off the Axe, the other ones, and I still got credit for that. And then for Dollar Tree, again, I did 4 different transactions for that. So everything you see here retails $62.82. It's $3.21 in sales tax. I had $6.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $56.32. And then I walk away with $34.40 from Ibotta, $23.99 from coupons.com, $15 from Alexa, $8.99 from Tada, $8 from ShopMium. Fetch Reward was $175. I'm not counting the extra. And then Shopkick was $4.20 for the Dove and the Axe. And then I do have some scan kicks that I got, which was only $1.88 because I don't have a lot left because I've scanned everything. And so a total of $6.08 back from Shopkick brings us to a total of $98.21 back, which is $41.89 moneymaker. You guys, it's tiny, but dang, is it massive? It's massive, y'all. So we made $41.89 on this haul. And even after tax, we still make $38.68, which is awesome. Other than that, Jojo, what's your emoji?
Bat.
A bat. Do you think there's a bat?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have a backup just in case there's no bat? You have a plan B?
Yeah.
What's your plan B if they don't have a bat?
Vampire.
A vampire? Okay, so you heard it. If you made it to this point in the video and you can find a bat, if not a bat, a vampire emoji, I'd love to see it in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. Say bye, Bug.
Bye.
All right, bye, guys.